Hi guys, right, so today I wanted to tell you about how you can save a whole load of money actually. So I recently bought for the business a Qnap 4-disc device. It's a TS-451 Plus. So I wanted it with the maximum amount of storage and also with 8 gig of RAM as well to make it robust and powerful enough for what we're going to use it for. So the retail price on eBay, which is one of the cheapest around, was £2,331.99. So that's 8 gig of RAM and 48 terabytes of disk storage, and that's using Seagate Pro discs. So I thought, well, I'm not going to pay that. That's a little bit too much. So I then had a look around at an unpopulated device and buying everything separately. So what I went for in the end was a TS-451 Plus with 2 gig of RAM, which came out at £434.99, and then the 4 discs, 12 terabyte Seagate discs, they were £409 each. And then I went for an 8 gig upgrade kit to upgrade the memory from 2 gig to 8 gig, and that was £53.99 from Crucial. So the actual drives and the Qnap empty storage device all came from eBay. So that came in at a total of £2,128.86, which is a massive saving of £203.13 as if I bought it direct, fully populated. So all you need to do yourselves is to upgrade the memory in it and also populate it with the 12 gig disc or whatever disk size that you want to buy for it. Populate that with the discs, and that's all there is to it. It's a massive saving. So I'm going to go into the unboxing of it all now so you can have a look to see what we get for the money.